Kevin Carter achieved one of the greatest honors that a photographer could ever achieve, but obviously it wasn't enough. He ended up sending this picture through, got published, and in 1994 he won this prestigious award, biggest success, honor that he was probably working towards his whole life. I think that when he was busy with this picture, there was something tugging on his heart to do something more. And he didn't. 4 months later, after winning this major award, he committed suicide. We can reach the highest of success and still feel empty. We can achieve things that people would work their whole lives or give up things in their lives for and still feel completely empty. My question is, what is going to be enough for you? See, success is great, and you can do a lot of things with success, but it's not always going to be fulfilling. And I want you to be successful, church. I want everyone here to be successful. Be successful at something. Be successful at many things. But more than being successful, I want you to be significant. When you live a life for Jesus and love people, I believe you are going to be significant.